welcome to Informed Investing. My name is Don Lawrence. I'm the CEO of STA Research, and our platform is stocktargetadvisor.com. We are the Canadian version of TipRanks, and we've been serving investors with our research since 2007. Today we're going to have a quick chat about Robinhood. The company reported earnings results earlier this week that beat analyst estimates, and it was received positively by investors. So let's have a quick run over of the fundamentals and the sort of technicals where we think the stock's going in the range quickly, and then we'll have a brief chat of what we think about the stock. Anyways, guys, so we have a quick look at the analyst rating, which is currently at a buy, and the analyst target is coming in at $11. So obviously the trading price is slightly higher than the analyst target, and our crowd rating on the stock is also a buy as well. So if we look at the fundamentals, we've got four fundamentals that we like about the stock. We'll have a quick look at them there. It's got high market capitalization, positive cash flow, superior earnings growth, and it has superior revenue growth. Now, if we look at what we don't like about the stock, it's got poor risk-adjusted earnings, it's below medium dividend returns, and it has negative free cash flow. So if we look at the overall fundamental of the stock is actually sort of rated at a 5.7 out of 10. So that's the scale that we rate that out on a fundamental basis. So it's just slightly bullish is the sort of sentiment indicator. Anyways, guys, personally myself, I really don't like Robinhood. I think the sort of fundamental, their fundamental sort of mantra was basically, a sort of Volkswagen version of a trading platform, sort of a platform for all people. And as everyone knows, as of the sort of big short squeeze back, getting close to 2 years ago, where all the stocks went GameStop and as such, AMC went through the roof. And what did Robinhood do? They basically froze accounts, so small investors, retail investors couldn't trade. One of the most frustrating things as a financial professional or a trader is not to be able to execute a trade when you know you need to get it done, whether it's a buy or sell, especially if you know that the stock shooting up and it might not hold that sort of euphoria for a while. So it's very, very frustrating as a trader, and I can really put myself in the sort of the account holders of Robinhood, and feel the frustration, what they must have gone through that time. So I think that what happened there is wreck their business model. I mean, basically they're supposed to, to say power the little guy, where what they did was they stole from the little guy and gave to the big guy, right? So they basically sort of put the needs of the big institutional players first in order to save the company, rather than the little guy. So I think, that's the core here. If you look overall, I think the company's flawed because of that. And I don't know if the company's ever going to be able to sort of get over that, because, his whole business premise was based on putting the little guy first, and they lied, quite simply. So yeah, I just think personally I would invest and I would not invest in this company. I would not buy their stock. However, the stock is sort of in a bullish run. It looks like it could hit $15. It's possible, but I think looking at the sort of midterm, it's probably going to trade in sort of that range between $9 and $11. I think it's stuck there. I think what I just said before, sort of sentiment about the company is going to lock it in a sort of trading range there. So it might break out, up to 15, but I think it's not going to hold that. So yeah, it's just I think this sort of the company really let people down, and I think just not a lot of people are going to come to the platform any longer, and they don't have confidence in it. So it's very important, that you give your, especially traders, people who are obviously have a financial interest, need to be, need to have a trading platform that can count on, and you certainly can count on Robinhood. Anyways, guys, let me know if you think I'm being harsh. Let me know what you think if Robinhood can outgrow outgrow this incident here. I don't think so. I think, as I say, robbing from the poor and giving the rich. It's just I think it's game over for the company. I don't think they have a lot of future. Anyways, guys, thanks very much for checking us out. Remember, guys, your best trade is always a hedge. Cheers.